The strategy is same whatever we have done here, and the difference you see here is you should define here what kind of a search, when it has to search which storage type during what. Like yesterday we have defined for a E, put away. Now we have to define for a storage stock removal process. So if you see here, let's see, we have one. So we'll create a new one. So this is copy. We have one. This is for us to start to secure. Okay. And so take this copy and define it for a stock removal process. Enter and save. For the storage section also we define. So all look same. You see here the same thing, and also we should maintain here in material master 102. Okay, so stock removal we should maintain the same AZ1. So now then it will able to find out, able to determine the storage type for the stock removal. You see here for TR1 storage type indicator, what was we have given AZ1 or what? TR1 stock removal A and storage indicator AZ1, we have TR1 here. So the same here you see. So here you should maintain that storage indicators. So now save, and now the storage type is found, and with the help of this storage section will be found, and storage bin type with respect to that, and then as you know, like storage section and the storage bin types are assigned in the storage bin creation, and then by that it will pick that, it will find out the storage bin and it will pick. So now the question, like where actually it will go and update in interim storage bin, which storage bin will it pick up? Can anybody tell like which storage bin it will be saving? Which interim storage bin? Where do we see that?
902?
No, like where do we see that storage bin?
Where do we see the storage bin in the interim
storage bin?
WM tab of Migo? Are you talking about that one?
No, what I was asking, like, how do the system knows that the
Okay,
storage unit has to go?
configuration. Yes, yes, yes. You did yesterday. Some uh,
Activities
uh,
in warehouse movement type.
requirement types. Yeah,
No, movement type.
movement
In
types.
warehouse
Okay.
movement type, we actually maintain the interim storage bin. So the same here, like here, if you see warehouse number TR1. So you see this is a goods receipt and this is a goods issue. Goods issue 201, if you see here, so 911. Okay. So if you see here that it is at the destination. Okay. So the reason why it is in destination is
Yeah, it's a good issue.
the stock picked up stock is picked up from the warehouse storage bin and keeping the data in destination bin, that is interim bin. From there it is issued. Understood? So when we are doing a goods receipt, stock is updated from the IM and placing at the interim storage bin, that is some place. From there it is going to the WM storage bin. So WM storage bin needs a source to pick the stock. That is why when do GR, you see for the GR movement type, you see at the source storage type. When you are doing a GI, it is placing at the destination storage type. Understood? When we talk from the WM side, when we do the GR, so WM movement type has to pick from the IM interim storage bin, that is source. When we do the GI, the system has to pick from the WM and put at destination storage type, interim storage type. So it is, we are using it as a destination. Okay. So it depends on the process, like what you are doing, then a system will see. For example, if you are doing for a goods issue for any ship delivery note, then it will see should be some ship note. I don't see here some there. So, GA, yeah, GA for delivery note. So it will place in 916 storage type, and from there it is issued. So okay, so we'll run one any GI process. Yeah, you understood, right? What I am actually trying to tell you is.
Yes.
So what I'll do is I'll create one stock transport order. WM stock. Let's see. Where I've created one. Supplying plant is Siam. Okay. So supplying plant is Azam and the receiving plant is Sayed. So check and save. So the purchase order is a stock transport order is created. We'll do BL 10B. Okay, order to execute create a background. So this is the delivery node which has been created. Okay. So fine. And now if you see here, the not yet picked. The stock has not yet picked. So if you open it, you see picking. So if you see here, the 916 storage type is picked. Since it is maintained at a warehouse management movement type level. Okay, and this has been created because we have maintained the storage in that movement type.
Requirement types.
The requirement type will be given as a delivery node.
Delivery node. Yep.
That is the requirement type. Yes. Yeah, sales document. So it is given as sales document. So it will take that delivery note number. Okay. And now what you do is you if you remember this slide. Which slide is just hold on. Here, so we have created an outbound delivery. So we create a transfer order with respect to the outbound delivery. There won't be any transfer requirement created. Okay. So this is happening before the GI activities. Okay. So I am just taking one process here. So this one is created. So what we do is we'll go. Yeah, we have here. See, if you see, we do have inbound and outbound processes. So go to goods issue for outbound delivery. Picking, create transfer order. This one, enter, generate. So since we have defined the picking strategy, the system has automatically determined the storage bin. Let's see what we have maintained here 001. It should be 002. Then only it will pick from the. So we need to cancel this. 318, no? Cancel this 318. So go to this. Let's change this to 0. Oh. What is this HTML? This is different. Here, take this. Okay. transfer order with respect to the outbound delivery. Picking weight changes. Create no items. What happened? It was to be quick problem.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello, Ajit.
Yes. I think yeah, go ahead.
Ajit, this is Ganesh in there.
Okay, I think we lost Azam. So let me let me put something in the chat there.
No, Ajit, this is an online only, yeah?
Yeah, it's showing online, but I believe there has been some technical issues because the screen is also frozen, and he's not,
Yes, yes.
and he's not definitely not hearing us, and we are not.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so even if I write a message, okay. Okay, he's lost. So let me see whether I have his email ID or not. And since we are in
Hello?
mute, hello?
Ajit?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Since,
Ajit,
yeah.
just to Murli call, actually he lost his he's having some net connection problem.
Okay,
Again he's logging in.
okay. So he's logging in.
Just Murli updated me.
Okay, okay,
He's logging in again. It'll take another 5 minutes.
okay. So so we will log out and log in again, or should we wait?
Outbound delivery. So what? Okay, here. So I have changed the storage location here. You understood, right? Why did I change it? So it will determine which warehouse movement should warehouse number should it determine. Okay. So let's go to transfer order. Let's create transfer order 2003 warehouse number is TR1, enter. So generate. So now it has picked up the material. You save it. So V is created. ALT 21. So if you see there, the source is 030101. It has picked the quantity 10 each, and where to place it? It has to place at 916 and the storage bin here. The storage bin is the number of a delivery note. So now if you go and check here, now the picking. So you see, the earlier it was A, right? So it was not at picked. So it has completely processed. So we have done the picking now. So all these details here. And now you can go ahead and do the, if you want to see first LS 24, CTR1 storage location, and okay, we have here, so we can also see 916, 916. LS 24 is just a reporter to see the stock, okay. So we have a stock for put away, so it is expecting actually. So now what we do is we do and yeah, and goods issue. Do and post goods issue. You know, like what is this? Delivery not yet been completely processed. Oh, it has to be packed. Oh, God. So I have maintained this has to be packed. Oh, that's packed. I think it will expect packing details. Now I have to determine all the handling.
Why the system gave that thing that it should be packed? Pick after pick. What is the configuration? Yeah, why? After configuration, what is the configuration? That's why it says that.
It's actually what you call MM configuration. Let's see where it is. It should be at the define delivery type, delivery. Here. Let's go to item category. Picking required
Pack account batched items.
packing control. What is this?
No, packing control A and then pack ICC batch items.
Okay,
it must
here
be packed.
It can be packed.
Okay.
So you have maintained as must be packed. It can be packed. So now let's see. It should not ask. Enter. Go. Uh-oh. Or only partially packed. You can write as cannot be packed. Let's see what it does. Huh? You should not ask because we have given an option, no?
After that, there is one kind of
maybe
pack.
In the material mark.
Yeah, let's take that flag off. Go to that item deliveries. Logic. Yeah.
Here,
Yeah, let's take this flag off.
Basically, the batch material only the maintaining with accumulated batch. It's a batch related, no?
Okay. And now let's put that on cannot be packed. Hard configuration. Oh, cannot be packed.
Cannot
Yo.
be packed.
Now
But if
let's.
it is can be packed, then it should take only, no?
Yeah,
It's an option, no? Can
it's
be
an
packed.
option. Yeah.
Why is it not taking? No.
Okay. If you log out, shut all the sessions, log out and log in again.
Material. No, I don't think this is an issue. Is it?
No, let's try all the things. This is also one of the I used to suggest while I was in support team. I used to suggest. Sometimes work happen.
Can't tell them, yeah. They laugh. When it is a SAP issue, then it is this kind of thing. It is an SAP issue, then. No.
No, it didn't happen. Okay,
I think there is somewhere it is maintained, it should be packed.
It should
No, I have to determine this.
material must.
Ganesh, you have any idea?
Oh no, sir, I don't know any idea.
No. You didn't work on packing?
No, I didn't work.
No,
No, I have to determine the package. Let's see. Material group packing materials.
I'm thinking the material. Okay, go ahead. There are two tabs which come up right now, WM execution and WM another thing, right? Will they have some values?
Where?
Okay, I had a question once. In this enhancement, I am seeing that there are two tabs coming up extra: WM execution and WM staging or something like that. Besides WM1, WM2.
We have two.
Is your enhancement pack 6? This is one.
I don't know.
Okay, because I had this question because I will send you the screenshot. The ones which we are practicing, it has two more tabs. So I had the question that what are these two tabs for? I didn't see that before.
Yeah, please send me. Let's see.
Yeah, I will send you the screenshot. Yeah.
Now material packaging. Define C010 and define C02 and then here go different packaging material type. So we have maintained that. We should maintain this packaging material type in okay. So you have maintained packaging material type and created one packaging material for this. Then material to define this material for this. We have maintained this 0.0. Define allowed packaging material. Here in there we have packaging material type as B080. For the packaging material type B080 it should be there. So B080 right? B080 equal to this is packaging of created for this. Let's start. And where it should be there here. Let's see. That we are missing. We have just maintained it, but it is saying has not maintained. This is something.
Can we go to the WM1 view once more?
Yes. Organization structure. Reference material for packaging and also otherwise can directly give it here also. Let's see. There should be some packaging material type we have to. I've made all necessary configurations. Not picking. Material good packaging material not maintained per material. We just say here one. Okay. Let's see.
Sir? Azam? Hello?
Yeah, Arjun.
Okay.
Yeah,
Select on that
Yeah,
and
Arjun.
select. Come back one. I'm just trying one thing. Select that line and okay. What happened? Where did they go? Yeah. Yes. And then select that and then click on that on just on the top. Let's click on that. Let's click on the first one. Yes, first one. Okay. No. It's not going to help. It's not going to help.
Yeah, because I have maintained material group packaging material here. Here, I maintained this, but system is again saying that please maintain the same. Maintain the packaging group material.
Yes.
See, this is what it is asking, no? Material group packaging material.
Yes.
Material group packaging material. Even though I maintained it is saying that. Oh, 001. Can we maintain 1 hour? Let's see. That would be there. 001. Okay, we'll see tomorrow and we'll continue with this one tomorrow. Okay. Packaging material types, and then packaging material, and then for this, and then packaging 0, B080. So, here it is saying as packaging different. Also, why it is asking for a packaging first point? I have made made packing optional, huh? Packaging material not wanted. But here, you see, Arjit, this system's abnormal issue or what is it?
Indicates with the delivery items with this item delivery may be packed, cannot be. Well, you defined that thing, right? You defined that cannot be
Hmm.
packed.
Hmm. Even then it is asking for this. Why is it like it can be packed or it's not must have been.
Yes.
Is that maybe because I've already created and let's see, I'll create another
Yeah, let's create a one fresh
material,
STO.
another PU. Yes, STO, then we'll see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. So it has picked now. No? Even if I asked to pack,
Yes.
maybe it would have packed it, right?
What's that?
I believe.
Hmm?
Uh,
Maybe the STO was
even
created
if I
that
would
that
have
time.
asked to pack it,
Mm-hmm.
even if I asked to pack it also, it might have packed it, I believe.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Because you have
Because,
because the STO was created at that time. That's the outbound delivery actually was created, and then we were changing the outbound delivery. So that's why
let's see this, let's see, can, what you can do, we can delete this GA and let's ask to pack it, what will it do? Cannot be processed. Why this? Okay, so let's see. The display what is so it has picked from the 916 and posted to the required customer. Okay, you guys understood this one?
Yes.
What I was actually doing?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Ganesh?
Yeah, Syed, I can understand. Syed, only one doubt only. In that inbound delivery, you change the storage location to 0001 to 0002, right?
Yeah.
Can you please explain that why you
Okay.
have to change it?
Arijit, can you tell that question?
Mm.
Arijit, can you
Yeah,
answer
yeah,
that?
yeah. Yeah.
Actually,
Hey,
previously,
remember?
Uh,
Yeah, please go
no.
ahead, Arijit. No,
You did some change in the configuration on the storage section.
no.
Okay.
Yeah. See, here, if you see, remember this. The plant and storage location is assigned to warehouse number, no?
Yes.
So I have maintained the plant and the plant AZ Azam and storage location 001 to AZDA warehouse.
Oh.
Okay. So and I have assigned plant Azam and 002 to the TR1 warehouse. So I want the stock to be picked from TR1 warehouse. So I have changed it to 002. So whenever I receive any goods to the storage location 0002, it will always pick the warehouse number as TR1. The reason is I have made assignments here. What is it here?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
So since I have changed the storage location 0002, it has determined TAR1. If it is 01, it should be AZ warehouse.
Yes, at yeah. Okay, but in this case, we have maintained the warehouse number is yes at yeah, right? That's totally it is taking this.
Yeah. So we
TR1.
actually doing on TR1.
Yeah, okay. TR1 is assigned to 0002 storage location.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I got it now.
That is why I changed it.
But it should not
You weren't there during the assignments, no?
Yes. I was there.
I'm not there.
No.
I was not there.
Tomorrow I'll cover the remaining things for Ganesh. I'll inform Murli today to be at to start the go-to meeting at 8:30.
Okay, sure, Murli. Sure, sir, I said.
Okay, so we have done today the picking process as well. So you understood the picking process, right?
Yes, I can.
Can you tell me? Can you any one of you guys tell me how the strategies are defined? That is very important actually.
The strategies are defined like first there is an IM movement. That IM movement via reference movement type is linked to warehouse management movement type. So first, so that is the first step, and then the warehouse management movement type looks for the interim, interim storage area, and that is defined in the movement types, defined movement types. And the storage bin at that time is defined by the calculated requirement type. After that, there is a transfer requirement which gets generated. The transfer requirements, then we have, as we move down, we first have warehouse, then storage, storage type, then storage section, and then storage bins. So first, under storage type, warehouse number storage type, we configure the storage, the storage type indicator, and also put that values in the material master, and then the storage section, in the storage bins we have also storage bin type. So then we connect all those in the configurations, and then the system picks up that, okay, for this material, this stock placement strategy, this is the storage bin and this is the storage bin type. So there I have to put the material. Similarly, for the stock removal strategies, where we have stock placement value, stock removal value, picking value maintained in the material master, and then these things occur, in the same way. More or less, roughly, the process is like this.
Roughly the process is same. The only thing you maintain while determine that both are the same step. The only thing you see here, while defining the storage types, you should define both the picking and put away.
Picking and put away.
So in that we have one indicator there. We maintain here. So that is the only mainly difference if you must define. Here. Here, if you see here, so you have stock removal, put away, and two-step picking. It depends on what you define. It will, according to that process, it will pick the storage type and then so on. Okay. So today, shall we go? I'll just tell you the production order process.
We can do tomorrow.
Actually,
it's okay.
We can do tomorrow.
Yeah.
Can I give the brief thing or?
Yes.
Syed, can we start tomorrow, Syed?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, fine.
Can we start tomorrow? Yeah. Okay.
Can I remember tomorrow you come at 8:30?
Yeah, sure, Syed. Huh? Okay.
Can you send this PPT to us?
Thank you.
Azam?
Yeah, will do.
Okay, thank you.
Will do.
Okay. Tomorrow I am coming at 9.
I'll ask Murli to do.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.